Hi everyone, much thanks for subscribing to our channel and following us on our social media pages, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. As BitFit Wellness, our mission is to enhance the quality of life in the society, and we give a platform for people to exercise, most especially those who cannot access the training facilities. We have decided to do the same on our YouTube channel. So we will be bringing you weekly workouts every Sunday so that you are able to lead a healthy lifestyle. And actually our first session starts today. Get prepared. We hope that you will enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you. See you at the training center. Hi everyone, I'm Coach Benjamin. Welcome in our today's full body workout session. These sessions will be conducted on a weekly basis. Every week we will be having different workout variations. Today's sessions is calisthenics.
Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at BitFit Wellness. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at BitFit Wellness.
We hope that you will enjoy our session today.
Toros!
We will start with warm-up session, then workout session. Then at the end of the workout, we will stretch. For our warm-up session, we are doing 2 workouts, 20 counts each, and we are doing 2 rounds. The first warm-up workout, we will do imaginary rope skip, this one. Ready? I hope you are ready. Are you ready? Aye, let's go. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Keep going. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Aye. The second warm-up workout, we are doing alternate high knees, and this is what we are doing. Up like this, switch kitchen. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Going. Let's go 1, 2, do it your best. 3, keep going. 4, nice thing. 5, 6, yes you can do it. 7, 8, 9, and clap for yourself. I will repeat one more round. We repeat one more round. Alright, let's go from our first workout. Let's go. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Keep going. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Aya. Are you ready?
Yes.
Aya, let's go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Going. Let's go 1, 2, do it your best. 3, keep going. 4, nice thing. 5, 6, yes you can do it. 7, 8, 9, and clap. That's the end of our warm-up session. Now we start our workout session. Coming up first, we are doing jumping jacks. This is what we are doing. Up. We are doing 20. If you can't jump, step to the side and lift your hand. Lift your arm. Step to the side and lift your arm. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Nice one. Count with me. 5, 6, 7. Nice going. 8, 9, 10 more. Do it your best. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Nice one. Count with me. 5, 6, 7. Nice going. 8, 9, and 10. Coming up second, we are doing inchworm, and this is what we are doing. You go down and you crawl to the front and move it back, and you start. You repeat the same thing. 15 times. Do it your best. If you can't crawl it down, just lie and stand. This is what you do. As you go down, put your knees down, go the way, lie down on the floor and come up. I repeat, go down, put your knees down, crawl down on the floor and come up. We are doing 15 counts and do your best. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? So we start in 3, 2, and let's go. Keep going. Do it your best. Move it back. That's number 1. Move it back. That's number 2. Do it your best. Nice going. That's number 3. Let's go 4. Nice going. Move it back.
Don't.
Let's go number 6. I hope you are enjoying. Let's go number 7. Do it your best. Nice going. Let's go number 9. That was number 8. Let's go number 9 now. Do it your best. Nice going. Move it back. Let's go number 10. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Don't give up yet. 5 more to go. That's number 1. 4 more to go. Do it your best. That's number 2. 3 more to go. Do it your best. Nice one. Move it back. 2 more to go. Do it your best. Let's go. Move it back again. And finally, number 15. Move it back and clap for yourself. That was well done. Coming up next, we are doing squats. Squats works your lower body. And this is what we are doing for squats. Put your chest out and push your hip backwards as you go down. We are doing 15 counts. If you can't squat, you just sit and stand. This is what you do. If you can't squat, you just sit, find a chair, sit and stand. Sit and stand. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. You can also go to our channel and find a video on squatting mechanics, the best and the correct way to squat. We are starting our squat. Are you ready?
Yes.
We're starting our squat and let's go 1. We are doing 15 counts. Let's go 1. You count with me. Let's go 1. 1. Come up. Let's go 2. Nice one. Do it your best. Let's go 3. Nice one. Let's go 4. Keep going. Let's go 5. Keep your chest out.
6.
Nice one. 7. Let's go. 7. Let's go 8.
8.
Do it your best. Nice one.
9.
Nice one. 6 more to go.
10.
5 more to go. Keep going.
11.
You are doing it well.
2.
Nice going. Don't give up.
3.
That's 2 more to go. Let's go 1.
4.
Last one. Let's go 15.
5.
Clap for yourself. Coming up, number 4, we are doing push-ups. Push-ups works your upper body, and this is what we are doing. You go down on your force and you do a push-up. Do a push-up. We are doing 15 counts. If you can't do a full push-up, you can do a modified push-up. Put your knees down and go all the way and come up. Go all the way and come up. Still, if you can't do this, there's another option. You can do shoulder taps. Full plank position and tap your shoulders. Tap your shoulders, 15 counts. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. Let's start. Let's go 1. Let's go 2. Let's go 3. Let's go 4. Let's go 5. Do it your best. Count with me. 6. 7. Let's go 8. Let's go 9. Let's go 10. Nice one. 5 more. 4 more to go. Do it your best. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Do it your best and clap for yourself. Doing sit-ups, targeting your abs. I know most of you want to have six-pack, and this is the best for you. This is what you're doing. You lie down. This is what you do. Curl your legs there and come up. Bring your hands up. Up and touch your toes. If you can't do that, extend your legs, lie down, and as you swing your hands, you curl your legs like this. As you swing your hands, you curl your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more going. Let's go. 1, 2, do it your best. 3, keep going. 4, nice thing. 5, 6, yes, you can do it. 7, 8, 9, and clap for yourself. Hi all, I hope you enjoyed that day session. That was just one round of 5 workouts. You can do as many rounds as you can. See you next Sunday when we shall be having an aerobic session. So I hope you will enjoy our session and you will keep enjoying our sessions, and you will share our video so that someone else can also benefit from workout. But before we close our session today, we must stretch. Stretches are good. They help you to relieve from muscle soreness that you may experience afterwards. Put your legs together. Maintain straight legs. Hold there down. Hold it there for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and come up. Now put your legs wide. If you are folding your right leg, ensure the left leg remains straight. Go the way down and remain there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put your right hand down and the other hand point the ceiling and hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The other hand now, put it down and the other hand point the ceiling, hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your waist, and now you fold your left leg and ensure the right leg remains straight. Nice one. And let's go there for 10. Yes, the left leg should remain straight. Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Do your best, stretch to some mild discomfort and continue. Now put your legs shoulder width. Go down as if you are squatting. Put your elbows inside your knees and try to push your knees out. Try to push your knees out. Therefore 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. We now stretch our quadriceps, rather our forearm. Now you fold your leg and you pull it from behind. Stretch your hand in front so that you're able to balance. Hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch to the other side. Again, fold it down. Nice one. Hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your waist. We now want to rotate our waist. Move it round. Clockwise direction, you do 5, and clockwise you do 5. We start with the clockwise direction. Let's go 1. We are doing 5. Let's go 2. Let's go 3. Let's go 4. Let's go 5. Now on the clockwise direction. Let's go 1. Let's go 2. Let's go 3. Let's go 4. Let's go 5. Coming up next, hold your waist with your left hand. Put your knees, fold your knees a little bit, fold your knees a little bit. And now you bend on your left side, lifting the other hand to the other side. Hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then side. And hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lock your hands in front and try to push them in front. Push your hands in front and try to pull yourself behind for 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pull your fingers, stretch your hand in front and pull your fingers. We hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change side. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Our muscles. You touch your neck, you touch your neck with your right hand. Using your left hand, pull your left hand from pull your right hand and hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And change side. Hold your neck and pull your left hand. Hold there for 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second last, coming up second last, you lock your hands from behind. You lock your hands from behind. This is how you do it. And you try to lift your hands as high as you comfortably can. Feel some mild discomfort and hold it there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up last, to stretch our neck muscles. Bend your neck to the right side and hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change side. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your shoulders like that. Appreciate yourself. Thank you for joining us today. See you next weekend.
Bye.
Please subscribe.